All right. So here's your speaker. Here's your speaker. And then here's the wire. Hold up. See, there's a lot of wires hooked up to this thing. See, so here's your wire to your two speakers. See, so you're gonna hook it up to this thing. Put it in. All right, so it's in there. Now remember, this is your subwoofer right here, and you have to plug it in right there. That's where it's plugged in. See, here's the wire. It's plugged in. You got the speaker wire. You got speaker wire, and you got your control. See, this is a control to turn it on and stuff right here. And this thing right here is where you have to put it in. Now, I don't know if it's gonna have to go here or it's have to go to the back. So we're gonna figure this out. We're gonna figure out if it goes to the back or to that. So bear with me. Okay, so now let me see. Let me first try this one, because this will take out it's taking out my earphones. Because see, my earphones go here. So let's see. Dang it. Let me pull that to the side. Okay, so let's put it here. I kind of don't think it's gonna do that, but we're gonna see. Hold on. Okay, now why I'm using this video is because I own it. Listen. You hear that? Ooh, Lord. Look at you hear that? That's that subwoofer, boy. Listen to that vibe. Listen to that. That's that subwoofer. See? There go your speakers. So put them right there. Bam. Bam. Now, you know what I could do, but I don't know if it's gonna work though. I wonder if I could hook it up to, can you hook this thing up to the monitor? See if we have a, God, I know the word, a jack. So let me see, hold on. Okay, now hooked it up to the back, let's see. No, that didn't, because, let me see. I don't know which one's my volume. No. So no, it doesn't work off the TV. I thought it would. So no, it don't work off the TV. Nah, it don't work off the TV. Hold on. Okay, so yeah, you have to put this in your headphones because I tried the other things in the back. But nothing worked. Let me look and see if I'm trying to see if there's a way, but it's, yeah, those are different hookups for audio stuff. See, that's the back of my PC. Let me see. Is there anything else? Nope. RTX? Nope. So yeah, you have to hook that thing up to, you have to hook that up to your, you see? You have to hook it up to your headphone jack and stuff. Because see, if you want to use it at night, you have to either cut it down or something. So yeah. So that's how the setup is. It's like You hook your head to your headphone jack. Now, some people might be different. Maybe they can't hook it up to their motherboard. I don't know. But this is hooked up into the desktop. And then you got the speakers right there and right there. You know what I wish I could pull, but I don't think you can pull it, is could it go into the PlayStation 5, but it can't. Unless I have a splitter or some shit. And then you hook your thing right there. See? And you have to plug the speaker up to get power. So that's what you gotta do. So that's it. That is it. So yeah. Now this is a setup video. The unboxing gonna be separate because I thought I could get everything in one video, but I couldn't.